In this video we will be looking at how to create a reset button for the Raspberry Pi Pico. Normally, the Raspberry Pi Pico will not come with the reset button. We can use the general pin number 30 that is marked as random. Over here you can see that it is marked as run. So this is the pin we are going to use for this particular project. If you connect this run to the ground pin by using a switch, you can use that as a reset button. This is a diagram which you are going to create general pin number 30 that is connected to the two-leg switch. And other end of the switch is connected to ground over here. Let's create the circuit right now, connecting one terminal to the ground. And the other terminal should go to the pin number 30. Now the circuit is completed. That's it. Now let's see how it is going to work. I have just reloaded my Tony ID. Over here you can see Micropython has loaded. You can use the reset button to reset this. If you consider a program is running, it got stuck or you wanted to reset, the only option that you have to press this reset button. So I am going to press the reset button. You can see it is going to be hard reset. From the Tony ID, you can see over here I just pressed, you can see it is terminated or disconnected. The Micropython will load. When you wanted to use the boot option for that, you have to press the reset button which is connected to running and press on the boot cell button. Now you have to release the reset button. Currently, you can see Pico is loaded as a bootable device. You can go to the folders right now. You can see the Raspberry Pi Pico is loaded here as a bootable device. You can actually change the programs, or you can load a new framework and everything is possible. This way you will be able to create a reset button for the Raspberry Pi Pico. Subscribe our channel for more videos.